Welcome back. Let's have a look at this question then. And we're trying to identify business risks. So we've got some machines and equipment made to order. All right. Customers approach us to design and develop a machine specific to their needs. Where we consider that the design work will be significant, the customer pays us 30% in advance. So remember, business risks. What might make us not make as much profit? Well, they're paying us 30% in advance. Good, maybe. Okay, but maybe we'd like it all in advance. And that's used to fund the design work. The remaining 70% is paid on delivery of the machine to the customer. Typically, it takes 3 months to build. Now, taking 3 months to build, so what's the problem? They're not going to pay us to the end. It takes 3 months to build. Hopefully, you can see, well, a business risk is they might not pay us at the end. And another business risk is that it's taking 3 months before we get the other 70%. And a smaller piece takes on average 6 weeks. And it says the design and manufacture of this bespoke machinery has increased during the year. So it's bespoke as well. So if they do change their order and we've designed it, then we've got a bit of a problem, haven't we? Because we're going to be a little bit stuck with it. So anyway, they're the business issues. Remember, this is an auditing exam. But the question just says, identify and explain the business risks. So here's one answer that says, the company makes bespoke machines which take 6 months. Well, that is a business risk, but hasn't really been very well explained, has it? Hasn't said why. Half a mark. Here's another one. The company makes bespoke business machines which take 6 months. So the company won't have any income whilst funding this work. A little bit better, 1 mark. Now for a proper answer. The company makes bespoke machines which take 6 months. So the company won't have any income whilst funding it. So far so good. This could lead to cash flow problems. And this service has increased, thus putting strains on cash flow further. Yeah, and if you've got cash flow problems, you're not going to make the profits you thought you were. So even that alone would definitely be worth 1.5 to 2. But you could even expand it further. You could say also, if the customer cancels, then the bespoke nature means it might not be able to be resold. Definitely 2 marks. Okay. You'd probably just, probably that paragraph is maybe one too many. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the difference between an identification, a briefly explained, and a well-explained point, okay, when it comes to business risk. Notice how I didn't mention how to overcome the business risk. I just got on with identifying and explaining the business risk, okay? Next video, we're going to go and have a look at the risk of material misstatements.